While randomly scrolling through online products, I came across this brand Cost IQ. So on the right is the Cost IQ packaging, and I am really not convinced with packaging that they are having. So I decided to redesign this. On the left hand side, you can see everything about the brand. So Cost IQ is a molecular skincare brand that offers scientifically backed skincare products. It makes our skin intelligent. It is a Gen Z oriented brand that offers cutting edge activities and smart formulations with safe results. Sensible skincare options without the hype of natural and organic. So, this is what I found online about this brand. And a couple of words stood out like Gen Z. And with the packaging, I don't think that Gen Z would be very tempted to go ahead and try this new product if they see it. So that's my main goal to make the product and the packaging more eye catching so the people are interested in buying this product. I got further information that the product is not natural and organic. They wanted to kill that hype, of course, and they are offering intelligent skincare. So COS IQ, COS stands for cosmetic and IQ stands for intelligent quotient. Target audience is of course Gen Z, that is 18 to 33 years. Females, industry of course, cosmetic, and competitors. Went ahead and searched the competitors, and they are minimalist, the Derma company, chemist at play, juicy chemistry. Emotions that resonate with skincare products. They are like whenever we are using the skincare products, we want to pamper ourselves, we want to take care of ourselves. We expect some glow, beauty, and it gives comfort and happiness while we are using good products. So these are the emotions that I'll be capturing in the rebranding process that I'll be doing for this one. I've decided to create a logo for this brand because, of course, Cos IQ, the current logo, I don't think so it's appealing much. With just IQ and a pink tone, I think there's more to this brand, and we can definitely revamp this logo to incorporate the values that the brand stands for. Now I'll be redesigning the packaging as well because I think packaging is something that makes or breaks the deal. So if we are seeing something that is appealing to us, definitely we are going to go ahead and make the call that we are going to buy this product. But if something doesn't stand out enough, we are less likely to go ahead and make the purchase. So packaging, I think, speaks in itself. It interacts with the buyer. That's what I'll be trying to achieve in the designs I'll be creating. I'll be starting with the mood board, but in the interest of time, I'll be breaking this video into parts. So this part will cover the mood board and the logo process for Cos IQ. Without any further ado, let's get started. So for the mood board, I went online and I'm collecting inspiration from online websites. Currently, I'm on Pinterest. I'm pulling in images which I think I like in terms of color, texture, patterns, or something. There needs to be something that is appealing to me. So I'm just setting the mood for the brand that I'm redesigning here. And we have our mood board. I really like the bold color, the bold green that is present in the images. Of course, we will not be using green for this brand because the brand is killing the hype of natural and organic. So definitely green is not their color. So we'll stay away from that. But I wanted to have that boldness in my brand and I want a darker shade. So for that reason, I have added this green. Pink I have added because it's obviously a feminine color. It's a feminine brand and it's more closer to the current branding that they have. So I like the pink as well. And I like the beige color as well, so I have kept that as well, different shades of pink. I think I'll be using blue as well because it's like sometimes when we apply creams and stuff to our face or lotions, they sometimes give the cooling effect. So blue is good for that. So I'll be playing around with colors, sunscreen, lotions we use. So this yellow orangey color definitely will be used in our palette. So yeah, this is my palette as of now. I really like the interesting textures that we are having, like in the second row, third image, they have interesting patterns. So let's see if we'll be going with that or not. But mostly we are seeing that they have a very simple packaging, but I want my brand to stand out. So let's see what we end up with. For the typography, I see that simple plain typography has been used. For my brand, I think I'll be playing with this simple plain typography as well as something playful, because it's a Gen Z brand, so I want that element to be added so that it relates better to our Gen Z population, of course. So it's time to move on to our logo, and let's get started with that. And for that, I need a pretty font, of course. So let me just go ahead and dig into some fonts that I can use for this brand. So I have shortlisted some fonts and I'm playing around with the font types here. I really like the shape of this cosmetic bottle. So every cosmetic bottle has this shape which is pressed and the lotion pours out. So I'm trying to play around with that, and these are the three logos that I have created. First one, I really like this one. So it's cos plus IQ. So cos is having a very playful kind of a font, handwritten font. It's more like a creamy texture that we are getting, like some cream has been used to write this font due to the variations that we can see in this font type. And then it's IQ. So it's a cosmetic, and IQ is the one that makes this cosmetic unique. That's why this font is my favorite, because IQ has an identity of its own, and then that top section of the bottle is kind of shown towards the bottom from where the lotion is pouring out. Always like a universe from where the lotion is coming out, the universe where all the research and stuff happens. So I really like this logo because speaks about the values that this brand stands for and represents. You'll see that IQ, it's like a very thick cream, might have given this kind of a stroke. So that's what this is. I was also trying to achieve that in on the other two logos on the right hand side with different variations in the stroke size of the font. In the second one, I played around with S, and then for the Q, we have it upside down. So I just wanted to make it look trendy so that it resonates well with the Gen Z. For the right hand side logo, like the third one, I stylized the S because I wanted, like, it's the S, the top, there's like swoosh kind of a thing coming out, like we the end point of a cream kind of a thing. And Q, of course, again the bottle. So I like the first one, and I'm thinking of just playing around a little bit with this one again with the drop, maybe tilting it a bit. But I like this one, so I'll just go ahead. And so currently causes slightly above the baseline. It doesn't look like well placed right now, so I'll just make it fit the grid line better. And we are going ahead with this logo. So far, so good. I really like the logo that we have created for this brand. It speaks a lot about the values that this brand stands for and the services that it offers. Cos IQ is molecular skincare, so the O stands for the molecule and the universe wherein all the research and stuff happens, all the scientific research, because it says the scientifically backed skincare, so it stands for that. IQ stands for intelligent quotient, and this is an intelligent skincare, so we have conveyed that element very nicely. Obviously, the logo is very interesting, fancy. It gives a vibe, so it's like a Gen Z logo that we have created. Smart formulations with the typography, it gives that vibe. Safe results, of course, we have this O, and then the lotion pours out of that. It shows that it's something that we have created after a lot of research and everything. And it's away from the hype of natural and organic. So I'm loving the logo that we have created. And with that, we'll conclude this part of the process. And I would like to end the video with one of the quotations that I read today, and I really liked it. It says, focus on the process, not the product. So if you focus on the process, of course, the product is going to be great. And that's what we did in this video. I hope you liked it. You got to know, learn something from the process that I have shared in today. Stay tuned for the next video, because in that we'll be creating variations of the logo that we have created so that it can be used for different marketing, printing stuff. And we'll also be creating an icon for this logo. So in case we don't want to use this entire logo everywhere, what icon can convey the message that this is the brand that we are talking about. So we'll be creating that, and we'll be creating a pattern, of course, for this one. So stay tuned.